Morning to everyone. Okay, I want to share that some of the things that make me uncomfortable with this kind of the question people normally ask me. Okay, this is my life that only I have rights to do. So I know what I should do. I know what I should to do. Okay, people sometimes ask me, the people that I know, they come to me and they ask me, how is your friend, how is your relatives all support to you. Friend means close friends, friends that we know. Your relatives, how they come and support to you when you begin your transition, or you in the process of the transition. See, I want to tell you that this is my life. Okay, I born a female and I want to change to male. Okay, nobody has the rights to ask me, how can you change your gender? How can you be a trans man? Nobody have the rights to change, because this is my life. And even though to my friend, to my relatives, they don't have rights to ask me, uh, how you want to change your transition, who asked you to permissions, are your parents are willing to support you. Say, my parents, my mother is a very supportive person, and even my mother is ready to support me. And who are you, the third person, to ask me a question, how can you change your gender, how can you be a trans man? You don't have any rights to ask me or to question me, because every struggle that I face, this is my life. That another things that I want to tell you, that nobody support me. Even my close friend, my relatives, nobody support me. The only person is support me is my mother. And I should be thankful to my mother, because she's everything. She's willing to help me, even though she can't understand one of the things, that's what the meaning of the process of transition. But she willing to get back to me. She told me that she only want to see me happy. I want lead a happy life, a blissful life. She only pray with the god the things that only the one things need to happen to me. And one more things, because now I'm struggle in my life from the beginning. Once my father passed away in 2009, until now I was struggling. Every part I was struggling. But every every time when I was fall down, that's I think God's give a hand. Sometimes my mother was give a hand, give me full support, give me full support, that I want to lead a successful part. Okay, but my relative, I want to tell you, my relative or my friends, any other friends or close friends, when I'm struggle, when you can't handle my worst things, don't be feel that you deserve to be happy when I'm in the best place. I don't want that. I always told to my relatives or to my friends, don't come and see me when I'm in a successful place. Don't come and see me in that moment. I don't like that. I hate that. When I'm struggle now, you don't bother me. I always thankful to everyone, to friends, to relative. I always say thanks, because I don't need their help. This is what I want to tell all of the views that watching to see my talks. I just want to share my things. Even though my neighbor, the people that stay around my housing area, even though my neighbor, they will feel that why this girl born as a girl and they change their transition, why they have beard, the voice is all changing. Sometimes the people also talk nice in front of me, and after a month, 2 months, 2 weeks, something, they will talk bad behind me. But does not bother me, because I don't live a life to someone else. I live a life to lead my life, my own life. I know that I suppose what to do, because every moment that I'm struggle, when I have a thought to have a good place, better life, what are my dreams, I know what suppose I do, because I don't bother. Even though my relatives, my close friends all leaving me and don't care about me, I always say thanks, because I don't need them. Because when they separate me, they don't need them, then I also same, I don't need them. Because God know which suppose to whom I had to be lead my life when I go in my road. Even though my road is very struggle, I know that, because I always ask God, please lead me, please help me to go in the successful road. Because I always told that even though I'm female to male, changing my transition, I changed my gender, everybody was bothered about me. I don't care. I don't care anything about that, because it's not help my life to go in the right path. I always tell, even though my close friend, my relatives don't come into my life, okay, when you are separate my life from you, I always say thanks to God, because I don't want to have them, because you can't handle my words, then you should not be in the place that when I'm in the better place. This is what I told you. Okay, if any words that when I spoke, when I talk, it's hurt you, I only say this is all my things that's from my heart, for bottom of my heart, that I share with you all. Whatever come in my life, I should know. I know that what is the right, what is the wrong, because I have the age that I can think of myself. Friends, relatives not coming into my life, give a hand, support me. Okay, you can done, good job. You can be like this, you can be like that. No, he relative or friends won't come and help me or guide me. So in the coming on the future, if anyone comes near me, friends or relatives, don't come and see me, don't say a word. If you come to visit my mother, okay, I accepted that. If you need me to be in your things, like in your moments that you celebrate any of the things, you need me on that moments, of course I won't be there, because I'm in the single life, separate person. I'm staying alone, and I'm going in the process of the what I need, I supposed to do. So I don't bother the relatives or close friend come into the life. I don't want them, not now, in the future also. I don't want to come to meet me, or I don't want to see them. I always ask God, please remove the people who always have a negative thoughts, people who always have a bad thoughts towards me, friends or relatives. I don't want to see them now and the future coming up. I don't want to see them. Please remove them from my life. And God, please show me the people who always have thoughts that I want to be a better, I want to have a blissful life. Yeah, I always welcome the person who always have a good thought towards me. This is the feelings that I want to share with me. And the another things that I want to share with you, I always support LGBT members, LGBT community, the lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender, all the people in the LGBT community. I always support them, because I'm also one of the persons coming under the transgender. It's coming under female to male, is a trans man category. Because doesn't mean I want to be a trans man, I support the LGBT community. No, otherwise, if I'm not otherwise I'm not changing my gender also. From the beginning I was always support the LGBT community, because for me, male to male having a love, male to male married, or they male to male had they build the family, or like what I say, female to female had the relationship, female to female had the family, female to female get married. I say it's not wrong to me. I always support LGBT community, and I always happy with the LGBT community, because I always support them. Even though I am in the transman category, if like these days I was talk my things, maybe 1 or 2 years back, people, of course they support me, because I'm also coming in the process where they coming in the difficulties. For me, the LGBT community is not support or no support, bad things or good things. No, I always support them. I should support them. I like them. I love them. I love LGBT community. I love I love LGBT community, and I support LGBT community until my last breath. After that also I always support them. I it's not bad things to me, because I seen them in the open perception. If people who don't understand these things, I cannot say much more about these things, but I always support the LGBT community. I don't know people out there how they reviews the things. Only this of the things that I would like to share with you all. Okay, thank you very much.